Really quick before we jump into the content, make sure to check out this video. This is about the biggest crypto competition ever in the history of cryptocurrency space. They're giving away Cybertrucks, Lamborghini, gold secure currency, which is backed up by gold, and a lot of cash during the next few months. The competition is starting very soon and everybody can participate and earn money. Everybody has equal chances, so I don't want you to miss it. Just make sure to check out the link. And now, enjoy the content. Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's video, as I promised, we're going to be doing video on demand. One of you actually asked me in the comment section down below of the previous video to do Avalanche or AVAX or AVAX, whatever you want to call it, video about the price prediction, and I did extensive research about the price because it does have something interesting and I really want to discuss about. And also hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of a content. So let's get into the content. Avalanche or whatever is on the 44 rank in the coin market cap, so in top 50. As you can see, it's standing on 14.84, let's say $15 approximately, and the all-time high was on around approximately $60. What is Avalanche? We have short preview over here. That's umbrella platform for launching decentralized finance, DeFi applications, financial assets trading, and other services. So this is on some sort of a way like Ethereum for DeFi, or let's call it like that. We're not going to dive too much into the fundamental side, right? Because it doesn't matter. We've been asked about the price. So let's see what the price is consistent of. As you can see over here, price change, we don't have a lot of price change over here during this day. Actually, whole crypto market is down and in stagnation, and we can see that by our views, and we are seeing by social media and everything I'm following. So yeah, we are pretty low when it comes to activity in the crypto space. Trading volume, we have 102 millions, but it's questioned if this is washed or not. Volume, market capitalization, market dominance, doesn't matter. Market capitalization is 2.5 billions, full diluted is 10.6, which means that the circulation is 172 millions, while total supply is 385 and max supply is 720. So by that we have $15 per one Avalanche or Avalanche, whatever. Let's switch into the chart. The chart is a little bit artificial also over here, but I'm still going to include this big candle because it is important for the counting. So what you can do over here is to measure waves, something like that, okay, and to see, and then you take the ABC correction for this, okay, ABC correction. So far this is a C correction, okay, because I think C correction has still more place for the downside, unfortunately, but we will see if that will actually happen because we are already way oversold into the crypto market. So if we count this week over here, this big anomaly, I would like to say that this was manipulated a lot. I have no idea what they did with these coins. Nonetheless, this is something that we should watch if we count over here. The problem is that the fifth wave over here is the bigger, as you can see, if we measure it, is the bigger than the third wave, but the third wave is definitely bigger than the first wave. So in this case scenario, fifth wave could be bigger than the third wave or longer than a third wave, let's say. Even so, the third wave should be the more impulsive and the bigger than first and fifth. If the third wave is not way too extended, let's say, and as we can see over here, it's not way too extended because this should be some target, then the fifth wave can have the bigger momentum to the upside. Nonetheless, that's if we count like this. Now, if we count something like this, first, second, third, now this already has a lot of sense, okay? So because one of the reasons for that is because in this case scenario, third wave is bigger than the first wave, and then we should expect fifth wave, which unfortunately by holders it's not going to be way too big. Reason? Well, the reason is because the fourth wave was way too deep and the fifth wave shouldn't be bigger than the third wave, because in this case scenario, third wave has been extended way too much. But don't worry, I have prediction for you on the monthly chart. Stay tuned. Very quickly, if we measure the whole first wave, we want to measure the first wave only with the Fibonacci level, put it on the bottom of the second wave, and what you can see, we have extension of the third wave, which is very, very good, which means 161% extension of first wave in the third. Okay, and over here we have the fourth wave, which we can just draw very quickly to see. We still don't know if the fourth wave is done, but we're going to count for the sake of the prediction that the fourth wave is done. What we are going to do, this prediction actually that we are going to enter the next wave 5 should actually start. We need to break 20 exponential moving average. We need to break some crucial levels over here, as this over here, for example. We need to break this structure, find level of support, and starts into the wave 5, which I don't think it's going to be way too big, because we do have too big level 4. But if we go to the monthly chart, that's where the magic is. Okay, this is the time when we can actually include this anomaly over here and see if this is right. So what you should do very simply is to count the waves, something like that, and then you're going to see first wave, second wave. So let's, for the sake of argument and prediction, because we don't have a lot of data to work with, for the sake of argument, let's say that we bottomed in the second wave. Let's see, we still don't see the bottom of the second wave over here. In this case scenario, if this is the first, second, we don't see bottoming formation, but for the sake of argument, let's say that we bottomed. Okay, so we should take the Fibonacci level, we should measure, as we said, the first wave very simply. Okay, and we should measure where is the potential target for the wave 3. So for the sake of argument, as we measured with the Fibonacci levels, you can see that 1.618 is on $222 per one AVAX over here. So let's take it and measure it over here. Now, what time do we need to reach that target? If this is the bottom of the second wave, I repeat, there are a lot of ifs, because we still didn't finish the whole wave. We need to wait. If there is a changes, we're going to do video most probably. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. By any means whatsoever, I give it few months. I give it even more than 6 months, because in 6 months AVAX managed to do this big pump of 7,000% or so pump. So that's also approximately estimate that this third wave, when should it be done. Okay, so make sure to take this all with the as a backup, because we still don't see second wave or fourth wave in the daily chart done yet. Okay, so that's big if. We're going to follow how the price will develop on this also and do an update. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. This was the video on demand. If you have it more, let me know in the comment section down below. And until the next update, happy trading and goodbye. Very quick before you go, make sure to check out this video on our channel, because this is the biggest competition in the crypto world ever. You can earn Cybertrucks, Lamborghini, gold, money in gold and gold secure currency, crypto, and a lot of cash in the next few months or so. So I don't want you to miss it. Just make sure to check it out and thank me later. Good luck, and until the next update, happy trading and goodbye.